What's going on, man?
Going racing, baby.
What's up, everybody? We're here at Maple Grove Raceway. This is our first test and tune for the season with the shopped 4B11 swapped Evo 8. We are here to do some more testing and tuning. We made some minor changes to the car since last year. Notably, last year we didn't have the ACD locked, so this year we locked the ACD and we put a clutch slipper in the car. So we're here to test, see if we can get some better 60-foot times out of the car, and we will see what that does so we can make further changes and keep turning it up.
This is still street car trim, so
Okay.
because it doesn't have a cage and we don't have a bunch of stuff on it, like we can pretty much sneak through until we start going faster. Then we'll have to have a lot more in-depth tech. But for now, since it's still street car tires, street car seats, seat belts, no cage, all that stuff, like we usually just go right through.
What's this thing running?
No idea.
Okay, we're gonna find out today.
First pass of 2026. We'll see what it does. But as long as we can drive it back on the trailer after testing, that's all that matters. We'll get data and we'll see what the next thing is that we want to do. How you doing today, sir?
Pretty good, how you doing?
You're all good.
Okay, there you go. Yep. How's it going so far?
Not bad. Finding the little bugs and stupid things, like the two-step wouldn't activate when we're if we're up against the engagement point on the clutch. Two-step wouldn't activate because we're using the clutch switch, and we were just outside of that switch range. So now we're just going to try and launch it with pedal all the way on the clutch switch and see what that does without preloading. Not ideal, but for what we're trying to do today, we just want to see what it'll do. As far as clutch slipper, launch control, trying to get that set up so it actually leaves the line. So we'll see what that does, and then if it doesn't do what we want it to do, then we'll mess around with the tune-up and change the two-step activation point. Instead of being the clutch switch, we'll have to make it set up off of wheel speed and throttle position or something like that, which isn't a big deal, but we just want to make runs. So go from there, see what it does on the next one.
But it still fell over.
Yeah, I know.
So I need to extend it further.
Yep.
But if I extend it further,
No, we just need fixed wheels.
yeah. Well, I got it was a 1960.
Yeah.
So hold on, what did I just do with that fucking? Nope, not that one. What the fuck did I just do? Here it is. So 1960. Also, it was fucking cooking. I'm up on the fucking I was at fucking 208 degrees at the starting point, and intake air temp was.
Okay, be careful of the car.
So it was hot. So 1960, which dude, it pulled pretty good. Did you get a video of it at the? Yeah, because I think I can hit it harder.
You can.
But it pulled pretty good, and
No,
it didn't fall on its face. I think if I extend the cut and turn it up even more, we can cut that down. And then I was surprised that it did that. So then,
Well, I think if we
the
do
1
that,
to 2, I did slow as shit.
I know.
If I can, yeah.
So that 1 to 2 was weak.
Well,
That's okay.
I didn't want to flat foot it
No,
because
it's
I'm like,
fine.
I finally got a good launch.
Yeah.
Don't flat foot
Yep.
it. But now if I can get it to launch even better, I'll try to flat foot 1 to 2. 2 to 3, 3 to 4 was fine.
Yeah.
It's the 1 to 2 I didn't flat foot shift. I lifted and went back in, and the car kind of laid
So
over.
I think once, well, okay, and then once we get wheel speed, then we can just shut it off, and then we'll be fine.
Yeah. What time is it? Do you think we have enough time to cool it back down?
328. Yeah, I mean, if they let us.
I'm fucking sweating my dick off, dude. In the helmet with the windows up.
Go ahead.
Take a picture with Peanut.
Okay. All right.
That's the car.
Yeah. What do you think,
And we
Peanut?
use earphones.
Was that better than the first pass? It was.
Is this the last round?
Yeah, we're gonna pack it up because we got a little bit of a transmission leak. The laptop is dead. We are out of fuel, and we are.
No more talking.
All right.
Right in front of
There
the
you go.
car.
No more talking. Do it next week.
Yep. Do the talking for next.
We'll save the talking for next week when we actually get it to go faster.
Yeah, so I guess we got it to finally launch better. We know where we're going now, what direction we need to go. First pass bogged, second pass bogged, third pass bogged, fourth pass bogged. I think this was our fifth pass for the day? Fifth pass for the day, we finally got it to leave the line. We got a 1960 foot out of it, which was way better than the 2.8 we were getting all day with the bogging. So we finally got a 1.9 out of it, and we know which direction we need to go. We were having a problem, our wheel speed sensor stopped working, so the launch control didn't know when to deactivate or when to start the timer to deactivate. So it was deactivating too soon. So then we extended that deactivation time, that delay time. That helped a ton. And then we need to dial in our clutch slipper too. The clutch slipper, we tried for the first 2 passes, and it's releasing too fast. The clutch slipper is like instantaneous release, or it would stick the pedal to the floor. So we're gonna have to put a better flow control on that. So better flow control on the clutch slipper. We developed a transmission leak, so we gotta see what that's about. And we gotta keep going the same direction with the launch control, and we should be good. We got good data. Fuel pressure, we had a fuel pressure issue last year where fuel pressure at 45 pounds of boost was dropping like 10, 15 pounds. So now we changed to the Vibrant, their new high flow fuel filter. And now we don't have that problem anymore. We're at 107 pounds of fuel pressure all the way through the whole run. So now we can turn the boost up, and now we can go a lot faster. Now we can actually do something with the car.